Balibag. Alam mo kasi, sige mamaya ko na sasabihin. Pero, okay. So, meron pa ako isang song na hindi nakakanta. Andin po ay ang Room. Kasama rin po siya sa aking EP na, diba? Room, Room. Room, 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 Room. So, pwede niyo po siya pakinggan. Kaya naman, ito na po, para po sa inyo lahat, ito po ay ang Room. Please enjoy everyone. What I'm about to say, you'll find the answer. This energy that's within me. Tell me it's so pretty. I see me glow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trapped in frisbee. I don't wanna end it. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I need to break it to you, but if this room is open, let's play. Maraming salamat, Market! Again, gusto kong masalamatan